What's good, fabulous followers? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So last week I had to go through heck because I had paused my HelloFresh, right? Well, they charged me $70. So I had to call, dispute that. I did see my money come back, but then I get an alert from the office that I got a package and it's HelloFresh. I didn't pick no meals. I better not be getting charged. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So let's make it happen. Update. They said the box was sent in error and I can have it or give it away. Lord Jesus. It's not really like I can send it back. So make sure y'all don't see my address. So in this package, I have sheet pan Dijon onion crunch chicken. Don't even sound like nothing I would have picked. Who can I get this to? And I got but green beans on the side, huh? Oh, garlic bread. Now y'all know I didn't order this. And I actually had a taste for a burger today. But guess who already went and picked up food? Gouda Vibes. Tomato, onion jam, and potato wedges. I bet that's going to be good. And then sesame soy pork bowls. I was just talking to one of my clients about pork bowls. Sriracha, mayo, cilantro, crispy onions. So I guess here we go. HelloFresh unboxing. For the Gouda Vibes burger. This is the packaging for the chicken. And this is the ingredients for the sesame bowl. And of course we got all the ice at the bottom and the meat. Ground beef for the burgers, I'm assuming. Ground pork for the pork bowls. And then the chicken cutlet for the chicken meal. That's what we got here, some unexpected meals. I guess complete my week. I'm picking up a Walmart pickup order. I'm at the end of my work day. That's going to have lasagna in it because I wanted lasagna. But I think I'll hold off on the lasagna tomorrow maybe and make the burgers. And tomorrow is kind of a full office day, but we're going to toggle so I can get some cooking done. We'll see. I may do it different. Who knows? But that's what we got. Y'all see me, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend and tell a friend. And yeah, we got some Vlogtober things here, I guess. Peace. Namaste.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still build me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.